Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn Samsung washing machine cycle time. So, the first thing is to do, you can simply switch on the power connection of this washing machine. And after that, click on the power button to switch on your washing machine. After that, now we learn what is the meaning of cycle and how we can change the cycle of the washing machine. So here you will see a cycle button. And there are 6 cycle modes. Right now it's on a default cycle mode is on normal. You can simply click on the cycle button to choose another cycle modes. So the first mode is a normal mode. Here the washing machine can automatically adjust all the things, timer, water level and many more. It's a default setting. Second one is a quick wash. Quick wash means like if you want your clothes wash in a few minutes, like right now it's a 93 minutes, but you have not enough time to wait, so you can simply switch to a cycle mode to reduce the time. After that they will wash your clothes in a fast way. Third option is delicates. Delicates is used for only for a warm clothes, like winter clothes, like a heavy cover, blankets, jackets and many more. Here they can easily wash your clothes like a human hand. Fourth one is a soak plus normal. Soak plus normal means firstly they can soak your all clothes, means it can dip your clothes approx 10 to 15 minutes. That after that your clothes easily soak all the waters and then remove the dirt, and after that they can wash your clothes. Fifth option is a saving energy. So saving energy means it can save your energy and electricity bill. Also it can reduce its cycle. And last option is a Eco Tub Clean. Eco Tub Clean is a very useful thing for your washing machine. Like if you see that your washing machine is not working correctly and not washing your all clothes, you can simply switch to a Eco Tub Clean to that they can automatically clean itself. Basically, it is a cleaner of a washing machine. When you choose Eco Tub Clean and click on start button, they can automatically clean its dirt and make it prove its performance. And that's it. You are now easily learn what is the meaning of the cycles and what is the use of these all cycle modes. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorial. Goodbye.